I think one in about no, I think 150 million is the count of people who are going to have dementia by 2030 or 20 between 2030 to 2040. Can you believe that?
So, yes, it is a scary number,
Yeah.
but there are variety of reasons for it,
Yeah.
Vidya. But we can't really say a particular reason for it.
Yeah, so I have been actually, looking into this because I have a couple of people I know who have suddenly developed it. One thing is, Amrita, the fastest growing population is above 65 now, which we didn't have before.
Mm-hmm.
The people who are living,
Yes.
surviving,
Yes.
it seems to be
Yes.
much more.
Yes.
So of course there are a lot more older people than before, which
Yes.
I understand. I think second one is definitely environment. I mean, did you look at the Delhi stats right now about the pollution? Uh, I mean,
Ridiculous.
it's like
Ridiculous.
seriously
Yes.
out of. It's never happened this bad. I mean,
So there was this meme which came out that it is more healthy for a person to smoke cigarette in Bangalore than to breathe in Delhi.
So I think the environment is definitely something that contributes to any kind of neurological
Issues.
yeah, issue. So that's one thing. There are so much of stuff when it comes to dementia, I think. But one thing I know is it's really, it's really there, and people are grappling with it, and no, the care for it. There are no memory centers like how there are there in the West here.
Hmm.
And even if you give them all day help or something, they're not qualified, they're not really memory nurses. They just think the person cannot remember, so they maybe ill treat them.
Absolutely. Even people who remember, even there's so many examples of seniors being mistreated.
Mistreated, yeah.
And, thankfully nowadays we have those CCTV cameras, so they are captured. But I think one of the reason is that the social bonds are broken down. While you are right about the fact that people are living longer, so probably we are seeing the emergence of these
Yeah.
illness much more compared to before, because people before people didn't have that much of age for us to actually witness those illness.
Range of illness.
Yes, but then we did have the social bond to take care of the illness, because we used to stay in these big families.
Yeah.
And someone would always be available to take care of the elderly.
That's a good segue. Big families, that's so important what you said, because isolation is so prevalent
Absolutely.
now. Everywhere, like, you see somebody staying alone for years.
Yes.
They get used to it. They're comfortable with it. I think that is a problem because, being independent is one thing, being isolated is another thing. I
Yeah.
think you need to really be social for
No,
some faculties to be.
for me, I feel that if it is a self-imposed isolation, like a lot of monks, they prefer to be isolated.
Mhm.
Or maybe why just monks? Even people in regular society, sometimes they want that alone.
Lot of
That
people
is
by personality are very loners,
that is
right?
okay. But being forced to be lonely, that is something I think we should be scared. And that is happening because people are very fast. People are hustling right now. No one really, I do not know who my neighbor is. Okay. I do not
We
know.
don't take the time.
Yes, we do not, I do not have the time to go to my neighbor and ask. Whereas I remember all my neighbors from my childhood,
Yeah.
because we had that kind of relationship. I think those also play,
Yeah.
play a big role.
Yeah.